called you, but I ran out of words. So I stared at the plastic collide in the dirt. The fast food, the sign out and left. I prepare for the warfare, the voice in my head. What's up guys, Noah Kahan fans, guitar people. Today we're doing Paid Time Off by Noah Kahan from the new album. Tons of fun. There's a whole bunch of different parts to this, so I'm going to make sure to go through the whole thing with you. We're going to break it down so even the beginners can keep up. This one's actually a ton of fun to play, so I'm excited for you. We have the capo on the first fret and we're using a pick. Okay, so we start the song with just hopping to the first verse, which is what I showed you in the demo there. And that's what I'm going to show you now, bit by bit. So this is how it starts. I called you. Okay, so that first chord is a C over G. That is ring finger, 3rd fret, the 1st string, pinky finger, 3rd fret, the 2nd string. Then we have our middle finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, pointer finger, 5th string, 1st fret. All right, so we're gonna strum that one time. I called you to G. This G chord is gonna keep our ring finger where it was. Middle finger is now gonna be on the 2nd string, 2nd fret, and our pinky is gonna go on the 5th string, 3rd fret. We're leaving the 6th string open. Okay. I called you. Up, down, up. Pluck our 3rd string and hammer on 2nd fret. Up, down, up. And pull off. And then strum down. Okay, so. Okay, so I called you. Boom, that's the end of that first part. Then we're gonna go back to the C over G and we're gonna palm mute. So it's gonna sound like this. But I ran out of words. Okay, if you don't know how to palm mute, you're taking the back of your hand here and you're hitting these strings right near the bridge. And it creates this like muted, but there's still tonality to it. And so we're on this C and we're going, but I ran out of words. And then you let go and you hit for that last hit. Okay, then we're gonna do some licky stuff and we're gonna keep our chord shape there, but we're gonna be moving around our middle finger. So, but I ran out of words. Okay, so what was that? I'm doing 4th string and hammering on 2nd fret. And you're gonna strum in between, kind of the same way we did the other one. We're gonna do that here as well. So it's a ran out of words. Then it's gonna go and look in the plastic. Okay, so when we do that, we're hammering on 3rd string, 2nd fret, and then we're gonna switch chords. So let's start from the palm muting strums. I ran out of words. Look in the plastic. And we move on to our D. Okay, this D is a very conventional D, which is very nice for us here. We have pointer finger, 4th string, 2nd fret, ring finger, 5th string, 3rd fret, middle finger, 6th string, 2nd fret. And this is all that we're gonna play on the D. Okay, so that is me hammering on my pinky on the 3rd fret of the 6th string. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Practice that. So from the muted strums. Okay, then we go back to a C. We're almost to the end of the loop, okay? Then we go back to the C. Collide with the dirt. C to back to G. Do the lick again. Then we're adding to that first lick with the 2nd string and hammering on 2nd fret. And the fast food and then that's the loop. So all that you've learned up to this point is now copy and pasted to the second part of the verse. So that verse is just everything you learned, but twice. So to reference it, go back to my demo if you need. That's all you need to know to play the first verse. Congratulations. Now we're going to move on to the pre-chorus. Okay, this pre-chorus only has 3 chords in it, but the timing is a little funky. It's a little weird. Even I'm a little confused on it, but I'm going to do my best to explain it to you. I'm going to start by playing it. So this is what the pre-chorus should be. Okay, so that might have looked like I just played the same thing on loop for you, but if you're paying attention, you see there are some little nuances in there. So you can kind of divide this pre-chorus into 2 halves. The first half is this. It's E, or E minor chord. Sorry, I should probably explain the chords first. So E minor is middle finger, 2nd string, 2nd fret, ring finger, 3rd string, 2nd fret, or you could do it like this. You just got to get those things covered, okay? So to start it, you're going to go down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, G for 1, up, down, up, back to our C. So it's E, G, C, E, G, C, okay? But the timing's a little weird. So the E you're doing for 2, 1 for the G, 1 for the, and then we go to the C, and it's like 5 to 6 with the C, okay? If you're singing along with this, it's easier to keep track of the timing because you just follow the words. But this C is a little long. It's not just, I don't know, but you're doing it like, back to the E for 1, or for 2, G, C, and that's the first half of the pre-chorus. And the second half is a lot easier to understand. This one he goes, you would have made a joke. That's when he starts like, if you would have seen it, you made a joke. It's 2 on the E, 2 on the G, and then 4 on the C. And then we do it again, 2 on the G, and then he stops playing and he just sings like a verse. He just sings like 1 line. Okay, you might have noticed through that I was like just touching with these fingers instead of doing the full G. That's just me being lazy. So please do the whole chord, okay? Yeah, and that's it. That's the pre-chorus. Okay, so now we're on to the chorus, which is a lot of fun. It's a lot faster than the verse and pre-chorus before it. So let me demonstrate this for you real quick, and then I'll talk about it. I see you driving, and your love's like an open flame. I'm a running car in your closed garage. Someone once told us there's a world out there, but we don't care enough to drive that far. Been a damn near perfect day, just getting high at the outlet mall. People grow up and then move away, but you don't care and I don't mind at all. Alright, that's the chorus. Okay, so it's the same 3 chords that we've used before, but everything else is changed up a lot. So we begin with a C and we're palm muting again. And the strumming pattern for this chorus is going to be down, up, down, up. But the second down should be accented, so it's... Okay, so we start on the C, and when he starts singing, he goes, and your love is like an open flame. So it's G to C to G. I'm a running car. E minor to C to G. And that's the loop of chords, really. It's just G to C to G, E to C to G, G to C to G, E to C to G. Okay? This trick is just switching at the right time. So really slowly, it's like this. It's like, and your love is like an open flame. I'm a running car in your closed Okay, so if you have to slow that down even more to help you get it, but yeah, that's the chorus for you. Hopefully you can figure it out from what I gave you. And let's move on to the... Okay, so now we're on to the second verse, which is not anything like the first verse, and it's repeated, so this is kind of like another chorus. I don't know, but I'm going to demonstrate it for you, and then we'll talk about it. I got the car, you got the bag, a handwritten note left from mom and dad. Holy scanner bouncing on the dash, cup of burnt coffee and a check to cash. I had the brains for a city job, but sure got the taste of a county cop. Pack of cigarettes and a round of golf, make a living working for the pay time off. Okay, super pretty. I really like that actually. You may have noticed in my demo I was using lots of different G fingerings. That was just for my comfortability, and I would encourage you to do whatever you need to do to get a G chord. When I say do a G chord, it can be like this or like this. It doesn't matter. Okay, so for simplicity, when I'm explaining this to you, one strumming pattern is going to be a down up down up. So okay, so if I say to 2 on the G, it would be okay. So to break this down, there's the verse 2 has like one thing looped twice. Same thing with the verse 1, same thing with the chorus. This is one chord progression looped twice. So this is the chord progression really slowly. I got the car, you got the bag, a handwritten note from mom and dad. Holy scanner bouncing on the dash, cup of burnt coffee and a check to cash. Okay, so that is G for 2, C for 1, G for 1, D for 2, G for 1, G over F sharp for 1. So G over F sharp is our pointer finger, first string, 2nd fret, middle finger, 2nd string, 2nd fret. And then we have these two down here. The 5th and 6th strings, 3rd fret. And dad, holy scanner bouncing on the dash. And we're just doing this C for a while. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And a check to cash. And then we kind of have a little break before the next go around. Okay, so hopefully you got that. To finish out the verse 2, it's just the same thing looped. And it goes, I had the brains for a city job. Or sorry, I had the brains for a city job. And it's the same thing over again. Okay, so for pre-chorus number 2, it's a little bit simpler and nicer than the first pre-chorus. The strumming pattern is a little different than what we've been doing with the chorus and the second verse. So just pay attention. I'm gonna demonstrate it real quick, and then we'll talk about it. So this is from the living working for the pay time. Such simple lines, they true to make this place. In the interest of time, we've got a whole lot to waste. And your love's like an open flame. Okay, then we get into the chorus again. So what's going on here? We've got an E minor again to G to C. Okay, the strumming pattern is down, down, up, G, down, up, C, down, up, down, up, down, 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 down. Okay, not too hard. The second pre-chorus, we do another chorus, which you already know, and then we go to this bridge part where we're just going which is the same chords from verse 2 that we learned, which really isn't a verse, but it's the same chords from that section that we learned. And then he does the end of the song where he's singing that verse 2 again, and he's playing the same chords, except those chords are going to be just more strum out. So it's like, you got the car, got the bag, da 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 da. Okay, just strumming, you know. Make a living working for the pay time off. And it's beautiful, and that's the end of the song. And that's it. Thank you for sticking with me through this. I know there's a lot to it, but I hope I added value to your day. If I did, drop me a like. I do lots of random underground songs too, so if you're into that stuff, drop a subscription. And yeah, have an amazing day.